Electric vehicles are quick, efficient, and have zero tailpipe emissions, and also do not burn a hole in your pocket. With petrol prices crossing the 100 rupees per litre mark in many cities, this may just be the motivation we need to switch to electric mobility. And there are quite a few electric two-wheelers available on sale today, many of them completely made in India. And they offer strong support for maintenance as well as charging infrastructure. Here's a look at the top 5 electric two-wheelers to buy right now. Number 1. Ather 450X. The Ather 450X is expensive, but it is one of the best made in India electric two-wheelers on sale today. The scooter has proven its mettle time and again, both in performance and with an extensive feature list.
The Ather 450X.
It was also crowned the CNB Two-Wheeler of the Year at the 2021 Karan Bike Awards, impressing the jury and the viewers alike. The 450X gets sharp and futuristic styling, connected technology, and a powerful motor that offers optimum performance. The Ather 450X is certainly the benchmark for homegrown electric two-wheelers and makes for a fantastic riding experience. Number 2. Bajaj Chetak. Bajaj Auto decided to enter the electric mobility segment in 2020 with an all-new electric scooter, and the Chetak has been an excellent first product from the company. With its metal body, top-notch build quality, and a long list of features, the Bajaj Chetak is one of the best products to come out of the Pune-based manufacturer and is equally fun to ride. It's a head-turner with that retro-themed design and really breaks the mold when compared to other electric two-wheelers on sale right now. Bajaj has also paid attention to its core buyer, and the Chetak is ideal for city conditions with an extremely comfortable ride quality, practical storage options, and strong pricing. It will soon be available in a number of cities too. Number 3. TVS iQube. TVS Motor Company pulled quite the surprise with the launch of the iQube electric scooter in 2020. As the brand's newest electric offering, it ticks all the right boxes that should appeal to an electric two-wheeler buyer. The mono headlamp styling certainly sets it apart on the roads, while the long list of features with the Smart Connect technology is rich in sharing information. The electric motor is peppy enough for city runs. The iQube is available in 2 cities for now, but TVS is gearing up to expand sales to 20 new cities in the near future. With prices starting at 1,08,000 rupees ex-showroom, the iQube is one of the more competitively priced electric scooters on sale right now. Number 4. Revolt RV400. Revolt Intellicorp entered the electric mobility sector in 2019 and introduced India's first electric motorcycle, the RV400, which is designed to compete against the conventional 125cc motorcycles. Easy to handle, low running costs, and loaded with features like cloud connectivity, a swappable battery pack, and even the option to synthesize exhaust sounds, the RV400 has proven to be a popular electric motorcycle. Revolt Motors has been actively expanding its footprint across India, which makes buying an RV400 more accessible. And number 5. Hero Optima. Hero Electric is the market leader in terms of volumes in the electric two-wheeler segment, and the Optima scooter is one of the brand's top-selling products in India. The Hero Optima gets a conservative design language, while its easy rideability makes it accessible to riders of all age groups. The electric scooter also gets essential features like a digital instrument cluster, regenerative braking, LED headlamp, anti-theft alarm, and a portable battery. Well, that's our top picks of the best electric two-wheelers you can get your hands right now in the country. With a number of electric offerings lined up for launch, which one are you waiting for? Let us know in the comment section below.